In this video, I'm going to show you how to get that scrolling timeline animation in DaVinci Resolve. This technique works both ways if you want to do a vertical or horizontal scrolling animation. So first thing you want to do is come to Effects and bring in a Text Plus layer here. And then in your text layer, we're just going to list all the years we want to scroll through. We can come over here and adjust our font. I'm going to go for something quite thick. Maybe the Future Now font. Increase the scale of it. Once we've got our font size, we can come down and right click on our text layer and open in Fusion page. So our first step is to put a rectangle mask on our template. We can do that by selecting the rectangle tool here. Scale our mask to just show the current year we want to be shown in the middle. Come across to the settings and we can adjust the soft edge so we can see the years below and above. And play around with your border width till you get something you're happy with. Next we want to animate the motion, so with the template selected, come across to the Transform tab and go to the start of your timeline. And then with the Y offset, we're going to choose our start date by scrolling back. I'm going to start on 2014. Add a keyframe. Come to where you want the animation to finish. And again, scroll with the Y offset to get to the current year you want to show at the end of the animation. Next step, to smooth this out, we're going to open our spline window. Turn on our keyframes so we can see them. And we can just highlight both our start and finish and hit S, which will automatically include an ease in and ease out. Last step is just add a little bit of blur to the years above and below. So with template selected, hit Shift Spacebar and search for blur. We're just going to use a simple Gaussian blur here. And we're going to do the same thing and just create a rectangle mask. Go around our centered year. We're going to hit invert on our mask so it's blurring everything outside of this, and then soften the edge a bit. And that's how to do the scrolling timeline effect in DaVinci Resolve.